Solid knitting is a fabrication technique for producing dense 3D objects by stacking layers of knitted fabric. This technique holds potential as a new 3D fabrication process, distinguished by outputs that are firm yet flexible, and that can be unraveled and reknit into something else. However, solid knitting patterns are complex and difficult to design. To address this challenge, we present skCAD, a design tool for solid knitting with automatic pattern generation. In skCAD, users create 3D forms by stacking rectangular blocks. When the Edit Pattern button is clicked, the tool converts the blocks into a solid knitting pattern. Patterns are displayed in a yarn-level representation, allowing users to preview the final knitted structure and check details, such as where floats need to be added. If users don't like the pattern, they can go back to the edit mode and modify the design. After generating a pattern, the tool also serves as a fabrication support tool for knitters. Users can highlight a particular loop and show and hide particular layers. These features visually help users understand and construct the stitch structures. The automatic pattern generation is achieved by selecting correct stitch block types using a rule-based procedure. As an example, here we are knitting a Stanford bunny. We also conducted a workshop among 5 participants who are experienced knitters but new to solid knitting. Despite the limited experience in 3D modeling, most participants successfully designed and constructed solid knitted structures.